Haka auction ka balak long haka arpundru but arpunyo tarik jong muslim ardar apusau ka wei ka businesswoman ka layo bandra ya ka nam ka bahakli tam haka jingya pen ispa haka auction ka balak penlong hapo Saudi Arabia kumbala juk jia bat yo singong na kapor sya kapor ya ki khubor bapela bat viral bahaki rensan social media kumta haka arpundru but arpunyo tarik banai banengkong jong muslim ardar pusau Portuguese star bapaunam jongka perthai Cristiano Ronaldo ulapau perthai biang sachisin lengba ka jersey ka baula sign but the auction haka dinner party on the sidelines of an event in the runner up to the Riyadh Aprix ka bala long mentau snam la ongba tang hapo ka henru pinyo second ka auction la yo I ba ka dor jongka ni ka jersey ka la po shadow nyo pinyo hajar sanspa dollar haka dor ka ban rupusan lak haka pisa India Henry haka por ka bakadu jong ka auction ya kanika Jersey CR7 lala bantit ka wei ka businesswoman bumpin idur haka dor ka bala kot shadow ka chilak arpusan $1,000 la ne crore tam haka pisa India kublai shibon.
You realise you had to bid. His Royal Highness wouldn't invite you back next year if you didn't. 77.5. Thank you, madam. Did you see the speed with which she outbid you, sir? Can I share with you why that might be? I think it's because she doesn't respect you, sir. I don't think she likes you, sir. This is a statement. Needs 80,000, sir. Going $100,000, everybody. That's $105,000. Thank you, madam. It was a great 110,000, needs 150. I did this auction 2 years ago. We sold Didier Drogba's shirt for 85,000. I never thought we could get more than that. But ladies and gentlemen, I have $105,000 on table 14. Going once, going twice, 110. Going once on table 5, going twice, 115. She will not be denied, ladies and gentlemen, at $115,000 on table 14. Last chance to lose her. Going, 120.